This is Gibson with LRG Wealth Advisors, and this is your weekly market trends update for the week of February 9th, 2026. The key takeaway is that by acknowledging ongoing trends and spotting trend changes, investors can better understand where major benchmarks stand today and where new opportunities or risks may be emerging. Across the major equity benchmarks we follow, the trend picture remains constructive, with the S&P 500, NASDAQ Composite, Russell 2000, MSCI EF, and MSCI Emerging Markets all still in defined uptrends by our moving average measures. Beneath the surface, an energy theme may be emerging. The United States Oil Fund has now entered uptrend territory, suggesting that momentum in the energy space is beginning to firm. Defensive areas are also participating. Two consumer staples indexes, the S&P 500 Equal Weight Consumer Staples Index and the Dynamic Food and Beverage Intellidex, are in uptrends as well, highlighting renewed strength in companies tied to everyday spending. On the other side of the ledger, digital assets have weakened. The Bitwise 10 Large Capitalization Crypto Index has slipped into downtrend territory, joining Bitcoin and confirming growing downside momentum in that segment of the market. As always, these trend signals are not buy or sell recommendations, but they do help us calibrate risk, reducing exposure when downtrends persist and leaning back in as uptrends gain strength. If you have questions about what these trends might mean for your long-term plan, we'd be happy to discuss it with you. I'm LRG Gibson with LRG Wealth Advisors. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for next week's weekly market trends.